What's the meaning of American dream? American dream. American dream. American dream. American dream. American dream.
The American dream is a national ethos that holds the belief that anyone, regardless of their background or circumstances, can achieve success and prosperity through hard work and determination. It is rooted in the ideals of freedom, equality, and opportunity, and has become an integral part of the American identity. The result is a strong sense of optimism and perseverance among Americans, as well as a commitment to upward mobility and the pursuit of happiness. However, some argue that the American dream is becoming increasingly unattainable for a growing number of people due to various economic and social factors.